That's why I went to supermarket or wet market. Doon kasi baka pagalitan nila ako or kung anong kung ano iniisip nila sa akin. So, yeah. Actually, it's a very, I think for me, it's very fulfilling also. Kasi this is my first time nga na pumunta ng palengke and I enjoy a lot. And because of this, I took some shots na I am very proud of. So, yun.